my name is Doug Cordell, and today I'll be showing you how to properly use the phone in the computer labs. If there are no green lights to the right of your phone, begin by pressing the button to the right of the login to start using the phone. You are now in the aux work setting, commonly referred to as aux out. The phone is only able to take calls directly to the line and is not on the help desk phone rotation. Next, press the button to the right of auto in to begin taking calls. When answering a phone call, always say something along the lines of, "Computer Services Help Desk, this is Doug. How may I help you?" If at any point you need to take some time to review information for a prolonged period, ask the user for permission to put him or her on hold. A good way of doing so is by saying, "I just have to review some information on your account. Is it alright if I put you on hold for a quick moment?" You will press the red hold button at the top to complete this action. The line with the user will be flashing green. When you are ready to speak with the user, press the flashing green button at the top of the right of your phone. If the user is requesting information that is readily obtained from a different department, let them know that you are going to transfer them. Press the transfer button and dial the needed extension. Next, explain the situation to the person at the other end and ask if you can transfer the call. Do so by pressing the transfer button again. You should now see Transfer Complete in the phone's LCD display. If the computer lab you are working in is closing for the night, it is important to remember to remove your phone from the network. First, make sure there are no active calls, then press the Log Out button. I hope this was informative. Have a good day.